Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we cover up to acidic strength of phenol. In this class, we will learn about basically we have to learn the acid-base reaction, but at first we will see acid-base theory. What are the acid-base theory? See, there are three acid-base theory. First one is the Arrhenius theory. The second one is the Bronsted theory, and the last one is Lewis acid and base theory. Okay, then see the what is Arrhenius theory. Arrhenius theory states that loss of hydrogen. If a molecule lose H plus, then it will call Arrhenius acid. Correct? If a molecules lose H plus, then it will called Arrhenius acid. Like HCl, it can give H plus molecules. That's why we call it Arrhenius acid. Now RNS base, the molecule or the compound which can lose OH minus ion, which can give OH minus ion, those are called RNS base. Correct? ये चीज आपने क्लास 9 10th में आई थिंक 8 9th में ही पढ़ा होगा 8 9th में भी आपने पढ़ा होगा जो आप एसिड बेस का डेफिनेशन पढ़ते हैं जूनियर क्लासेस में वो बस इतना ही होता है कि लॉस ऑफ H plus any molecules which can give H plus are called acid or any molecules which can give OH minus that is called base बट इसके आगे भी एक्सटेंड है ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ OH माइनस देने वाले को ही हम लोग बेस कहेंगे उसके अलावा बहुत सारे ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं जो बेसिक नेचर के हैं तो वो हम देखेंगे आगे नेक्स्ट इज द ब्रॉन्स्टेन थ्योरी तो व्हाट इज द ब्रॉन्स्टेन थ्योरी ब्रॉन्स्टेन स्टेट दैट द लॉस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन सेम थिंग as told by Arrhenius loss of hydrogen is acid same thing loss of hydrogen is acid any molecules which can give H plus is called acid and but in case of base what is say gain of H plus means any molecule which can gain H plus are called base like if OH minus if OH minus can gain H plus then we can say this is base correct and in this equation you can see OH minus is given by KOH the KOH is base and this OH can gain H plus means OH is base so we can say KOH this theory is also valid on KOH is it correct what I'm saying any molecules which can gain H plus the C OH minus can gain H plus here it can gain H plus means OH minus is base and OH minus is given by KOH means KOH is base means this theory is also valid on this means it include both Bronsted include Arrhenius theory correct but second thing it state only for OH minus but Bronsted say that any molecules which can gain H plus we can see you can see Cl minus you can see Cl minus can gain H plus then Cl minus is also a base correct so any anion which can gain any anion or neutral molecule which can gain H plus that could be called Bronsted base correct then Bronsted base already include Arrhenius theory is it correct okay now the last one is the Lewis acid base theory so what is Lewis acid base theory Lewis theory told that gain of electron pair any molecules which can gain electron pair are called acid like BF3 if you see boron have a empty p orbital boron have one empty p orbital so that it can gain one lone pair boron can gain a lone pair that's why boron is called Lewis acid it's okay anything which can gain H plus is acid so you can say H plus is electron deficient it can gain H plus can gain lone pair it can gain lone pair from any molecules so we can say X minus if we supply X minus the H plus can gain X minus means this is gaining a electron pair is it correct this is gaining a electron pair means this is acid or any molecules which can provide H plus we can say that is base sorry, acid, that is acid, not base, that is acid. Is it correct? So what Lewis said, that any molecule which can gain electron pair we can call them Lewis acid. Clear? So it include Bronsted and Arrhenius. Is it correct? This is valid for only H. This is valid for only H. But what it say? Not only for H, anything which can gain electron pair. H can gain electron pair, B, F3 can gain electron pair, Al3 can gain electron, AlCl3 can gain electron pair. So all these molecules which can gain electron pair that are Lewis acid, means Lewis include Arrhenius and Bronsted. Now Lewis base. What is Lewis base? Loss of electron pair. Any molecules which can lose their electron pair are called Lewis base. Now see this. Nitrogen have one free electron pair. It can donate its electron pair. It can donate to H plus or any other element. So since it donate their H plus, we can say NH3 is Lewis base. Is it correct? NH3 is Lewis base because nitrogen can donate their H plus. Is it right? So this is Lewis base. Is it correct? You know what Bronsted said, that any anion or any molecules which can gain H plus. Just see this, Lewis already include Bronsted and it's already included Arrhenius. Is it correct? So it's already include this one. Lewis already include Bronsted and Arrhenius. Is it correct? Okay. Then see this. So NH3 can lose their electron pair, and for NH4 plus we can say NH3 is Lewis base. But this is not only for H plus. It also, we can also see it lone pair. It can donate their lone pair to BF3 also. This time it's also a base. Is it correct? This time it is also a base. So Bronsted and Lewis was related to OH minus and H plus ion, but Lewis concept cover all the molecules, all the possible cases. Correct? So we can say that Lewis theory included Bronsted as well as Arrhenius. So this theory is valid always. Is it correct? This theory is valid always and everywhere. Okay, now note it. Now the next one is the conjugated acid and base. Conjugated acid and base. Basically the conjugated acid and base, that is a relative term. एक दूसरे के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफाइन होते हैं और दैट इज आल्सो रिलेटेड इन टर्म ऑफ प्रोटॉन. प्रोटॉन मतलब H प्लस. तो देखिए इधर रिलेटेड इन टर्म ऑफ प्रोटॉन मीन्स दिस इज इंटर रिलेटेड. एक दूसरे के रिलेटिव में हम डिसाइड करते हैं वेदर समथिंग इज कॉन्जुगेट, सम any molecule is conjugated acid of another one और conjugated base of another one. तो हमेशा क्या होता है, कंपैरेटिव में डिसाइड होता है, कंपैरिजन में डिसाइड होता है, और वो कंपैरिजन किसके टर्म में होता है, H प्लस के टर्म में. मतलब H प्लस के टर्म में, H प्लस के रिलेशन में जो हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे तो कोई एक कॉन्जुगेटेड एसिड हो सकता है, दूसरा कॉन्जुगेटेड बेस हो सकता है. क्लियर है? तो देखिए इस वाले मॉलिक्यूल्स के लिए H2O, H2O अगर इसने एक H प्लस डोनेट कर दिया, अगर मॉलिक्यूल H प्लस डोनेट करता है तो H प्लस डोनेट करने के बाद जो मॉलिक्यूल्स बनेगा उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, कॉन्जुगेटेड बेस. क्लियर है? तो वाटर क्या कर रहा है, इट इज डोनेटिंग देयर H प्लस and forming OH minus ion. So OH minus ion is conjugate base of water. Correct? OH minus ion is conjugate base of water. अब देखो, if water gain H plus then it form H3O. Now this is conjugate acid of water. Clear? This is conjugate acid of water. If this is conjugate acid, then it will be conjugate base of H3O plus. Correct? This will be the conjugated base of hydronium ion. Is it correct? Now this one, since it is conjugate base, it is conjugate base, then it will be conjugate acid of OH minus. This is conjugate एसिड ऑफ OH माइनस आयन। तो देखो यहां पे ये दोनों क्या है, एक दूसरे से इंटर रिलेटेड है और इन टर्म ऑफ H प्लस। तो कॉन्जुगेट एसिड और बेस क्या है, H प्लस के टर्म में डिफाइन करते हैं, ये H प्लस के टर्म में रिलेट करता है। या तो एक किसी के पास एक H प्लस ज्यादा होगा, दूसरे के पास एक H प्लस कम होगा। क्लियर है? तो अगर मॉलिक्यूल्स H प्लस ले रहा है, अगर मॉलिक्यूल्स H प्लस ले रहा है, तो जो मॉलिक्यूल्स बन रहा है वो क्या बनेगा हमारा, कॉन्जुगेट एसिड। क्लियर है? अगर H प्लस डोनेट कर रहा है तो क्या बनेगा, कॉन्जुगेट बेस। तो ये अगर कॉन्जुगेट बेस पर H प्लस डोनेट करके, तो मॉलिक्यूल्स खुद क्या हो जाएगा फिर, कॉन्जुगेट एसिड। क्लियर है? क्लियर है? अगर one molecule is conjugate base of another molecules, in that condition that molecule will be the conjugate acid of previous molecules. Is it correct? If this is conjugate base of this molecules, then this molecules will be conjugate acid of this molecule. Is it correct? Okay. तो दो लाइन इधर नोट कर लेंगे, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड हैव वीक कॉन्जुगेट बेस एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस हैव वीक कॉन्जुगेट एसिड। ये नोट कर लेंगे, अभी आगे देखेंगे इसके बारे में, अभी तत्काल नोट करके रखेंगे। क्या बताया इन्होंने, इफ दिस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस देन इट विल बी वीक एसिड, एंड यू नो दैट वाटर इज अ वीक एसिड। यू कैन सी वाटर इज अ वीक एसिड एंड OH minus is a strong base. If this is a strong, that it will be weak. Means if it is a strong base, then conjugate acid will be weak acid. Correct? H3O hydronium ion is a strong acid. If it is a strong acid, then water will be weak base. Clear? Water is weak acid and weak is, that's why we know that it is neutral. Okay, note it. Now see this NH3. Okay, let me remove it first. Note it. NH3. Now remove one H. It will form NH2 minus. Okay, now remove one H again, then it will form NH minus. Supply one H plus, it will form NH4 plus. Okay, it will form NH4 plus. Now see this one. This is conjugated base of NH4 plus, and NH4 plus is conjugate acid of NH4 plus is conjugate acid of NH3. Correct? This is conjugate acid. This is conjugate acid of NH3, means NH3 is conjugate base for NH4 plus. It also can be a conjugate acid for another molecules. See this one, it is losing one H plus. Since it is losing one H plus, so this one will be conjugate base with respect to NH3. Correct? NH2 minus is conjugate base with respect to NH3. Then NH3 is conjugate acid with respect to NH2 minus. Is it correct? Okay. One molecules could be conjugate acid and could be conjugate base, but their relative position, their comparison must be different. ओके, इसके कंपैरिजन में ये कॉन्जुगेट बेस हो सकता है, तो इसके कंपैरिजन में ये कॉन्जुगेट एसिड भी हो सकता है। एक मॉलिक्यूल कॉन्जुगेट एसिड भी हो सकता है और कॉन्जुगेट बेस भी हो सकता है, मगर कंपैरिजन क्या होगा, डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल से होगा। क्लियर है? इस मॉलिक्यूल्स के रिस्पेक्ट में ये कॉन्जुगेट एसिड भी हो सकता है और इसके रिस्पेक्ट में कॉन्जुगेट बेस भी, मतलब ये किसी टाइम में कॉन्जुगेट एसिड की तरह भी बिहेव करेगा और किसी टाइम में कॉन्जुगेट बेस की तरह भी बिहेव करेगा। Similarly, see this one. This is conjugate base with respect to NH3 and conjugate acid with respect to NH minus. This is conjugate acid with respect to NH minus. This molecule is conjugate base with respect to NH2 minus. NH minus 2. That is conjugate base. Is it correct? If we remove another H, then it will form N minus 3. Now in this condition, this is conjugate base with respect to NH minus 2, and NH minus 2 is conjugate acid with respect to N minus 3. Correct? Now note it down. हो गए ये वाले, नोट कर लो इस वाले को। कॉन्जुगेट एसिड एंड बेस में कुछ दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए। चलेंगे अब हम बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ स्टार्ट करेंगे।